Hi, let's look at difficult words from Lesson 3, Sam and Adam register for class. This story. The first word, sign. 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 Listen, sign. Sign. The meaning of sign is to write your name. To write your name a special way. I have a question. My name is Vic, right? So I have a question. Did I sign my name? Is this a special way? V-I-K, Vic. No, this is normal. This is writing. Vic. Normal writing. For sign, this is an example of sign. It's a special way. This is my name. This is how I sign my name. I write my name a special way. For me, it's V-M, my last name, D-E-T, but you cannot read it. Sometimes, no, it's okay, you cannot read it. This is special for me. Only I know. Right? I know this way for sign. Other people write more clearly. For example, maybe some people would sign like this, Victor M. Detweiler. Maybe they write more clearly, but still it's a special way only for you. Sign. How do we spell sign? S-I-G-N. Yeah. But listen, what are the sounds you hear? Sign. Sign. How many sounds? Sign. S-I-N. S-I-N. Sign. 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 S-I-G-N. The G silent. Shh. The G is silent. The sound I. The vowel I. Just like the name I. S-I-G-N. Sign. Listen, repeat. Sign. Sign. And usually we say sign name. Sign your name. I sign my name. Did she sign her name? Oh, don't forget. Sign your name. Sign. And usually sign name. Second difficult word. Sign in. Sign in. Sign in. It's two words. Sign in. Sign in. Sign, the first word is the same as before. Sign, it's the same word. Sign, like sign in. But sign in, the meaning is a little different. Sign in. Sign in is usually write your first name, last name, maybe your phone number, maybe the time or the reason. Usually we sign in at schools. You go to the school maybe at the beginning of the year, sign in, give your information, talk about what is your name, what is your phone number. Where else do we sign in? Maybe at a hospital, you have to sign in. The hospital sign in, give your name, your phone number. At government offices, sign in, right? Maybe the sign in looks like this. Write your first name, last name, the time, the reason, maybe why. Phone, what is your phone number, right? And when you sign in, this is so the school or the government office, so they know how many people came today. 5 people, 500 people. Maybe, oh, I need to call I need to call Vic. Oh, here. This is the phone number. You can call Vic. Sign in. Good. Sign and sign in. So sign, just writing your name a special way. Sign in, usually give more information. First name, last name. Usually then you are waiting. Sign in. At a school, maybe. Word number 3. Man. How many people? One. One man. Right? So man, one. Men, more than one. 2 men, 3 men. How many men are there? Yeah, 4. 4 men. So man with a, man. Men, more. Men, men. Man, 1. Men, 3, 4, 5, 2, 500. Number 4, well. The meaning of well is the same as good. In the story, we have the example. Adam does very well on the test. Okay, well. Adam does very well on the test. Adam does very good on the test. The meaning of well, good. The word well can be opposite of sick. Sometimes when we hear, oh, she is sick. Oh, I'm so sorry. Get well soon. Did you hear this before? Get well soon. Well. Well is like good, healthy, strong, well. Some people say, hi, how are you? I am well. Or other people, hi, how are you? I am good. Same meaning. Well. Well. The sounds w, a, u. Well. Well. W, a, u. Well. Repeat. Well. Well. This word, school. I think you know the meaning, school, right? This is a place where you study. Many children go to school to study, to learn about the world, how to get good jobs. School, right? School. The difficult thing is the spelling, right? O-O-L. This is normal in English. Oo, oo, ool. O-O, oo. But S-C-H, here, sk, sk. The sounds, school. Sk, oo, oo. Sk, oo, oo. School, school, school. We have to memorize the spelling, S-C-H, not ch. Here, no, not stool, no. School, pronunciation, school. Spelling, S-C-H-O-O-L, school. The last word, information. 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 Information, the meaning, right? There's different meanings. For example, we can say, what is your information? It can be about like your name. What is your name? What is your last name? What is your phone number? What is your email address? Where do you live? What is your address? Right? This can be information, right? Personal information. Information can also be like in a book. There is information in the book. Information similar to like words, ideas, information. On Google, we can learn information, right? Maybe on our phone, go to Google and get information. Maybe where is a restaurant? What time is the restaurant open? All of this we can call information. 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 Now, pronunciation, spelling, right? Information. Remember, shun, I-O-N, here, T-I-O-N. This sound is always shun, 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 shun. This one has a big, do you see I have a big green dot? This is the most important sounds. These sounds are the most important, the syllable. May. May. What is the name of this letter? A. The sound is the same. May. With may. So two sounds. May. Mation. 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 Shun. Mation. Shun. Mation. For. Oh, do you know this word? For. Who is this for? This is coffee. Who is it for? Oh, it's for you. For. The same pronunciation. Or, for. And so we have formation. Formation. For may. The long, right? Long and loud. May. Formation. Good. Formation. And the first sounds in. It's important too. Information. In. The same sound like in. I put coffee in my cup. In. Same pronunciation. In. Information. Information. Repeat. Listen. Information. Repeat. Good. Information. Great. So that's all of our words for today. The first word, sign. Sign your name. Right? Write your name in a special way. Maybe like on a check. Right? When I'm writing maybe for my rent. Sign my name a special way. Write my name a special way. Sign in. Sign in. This is usually more information, maybe at a school or government office, hospital, right? Giving them my information. Giving my information, right? Writing my information. Sign in. We looked at man, but the plural men. Men, more than one. 1, 2 men, 3 men, 4 men. 1 man. Man, men. Well, I am well. She is well. Get well soon. The meaning is like good. And school. School. The place where you can go study, go learn new things. There are teachers and students. And the last word, information. Information. Right? For example, on my checks, I have information. My address, phone number, information. That's it. Good job. Good luck. Listen again if you want to practice more.